A shark is dangerous enough, but an intelligent shark is deadly. The Galapagos is smart on its own, and here at Ascension, there are thousands of them. This is their domain, and it's time to take it back. Most flee and hide from the approaching fishermen. But for the clever Galapagos, it's a dinner bell. Lures are rigged, the lines are set. It's a waiting game for all. Shapes appear in the deep. A giant tuna takes the bait. Dinner bell is ringing. It's like the Wahoo massacre, but this meal is as big as some of the sharks